In this video, we are explaining the stepwise process to check the status of your trademark at the portal of Trademark Registry. The registration of the trademark in India is 100% online process and completely transparent. At the portal ipindia.gov.in you will find the complete detail of any trademark application which is under registration or about registered trademarks. Apart from the current status of trademark, you will also find everything that has been filed during the course of trademark registration and the communications from the Office of the Registrar of Trademark. The first step is to log in at ipindia.gov.in. The next is to spot trademarks in the main menu on the home page. Under the main menu trademarks you will find an option in the drop-down sub-menu as related link. After that another menu will appear showing the option as trademark status. When you click on the link trademark status, a security pop-up will emerge prompting you to accept you are about to proceed to an external website. Click OK to proceed. Click Yes. Your affirmative action would take you to the e-register and application status page of the Trademark Registry, which is updated on the real time with every act of stakeholders, such as the trademark applicant, attorney or the government authorities. On the e-register and application status page of the Trademarks Registry India, you will find 5 options on the left side menu. Click on the tab Trademark Application Registered Mark as shown in the above screen. When you click it will take you to the third screen where you can search the e-register based on either national IRDI number or international registration number. For Indian trademark application, we need to select national IRDI number. In the next screen enter the trademark application number and captcha and it will take you to the e-register of the trademark. After submitting the request the next page shall show the relevant trademark and the application number is the link to the e-register. We always advise our clients to recognize all the IP rights in the form of trademark and register every mark, brand name, label, product name, logo, punchline, and the domain names as the trademark in India for an effective remedy in case of misuse by any other person. If you need any assistance, please don't hesitate in seeking help from us. Just visit our website www.setindiabiz.com.
Subscribe and click on the bell icon to get corporate updates from Setindiabiz. Setindiabiz. Business begins here.